Astronomers' new eye, the James Webb Space Telescope, has already captured images of the most distant galaxies ever seen. Now, the powerful infrared observatory is providing mind-blowing views of our own cosmic neighborhood. With giant storms, powerful winds, auroras, and extreme temperature and pressure conditions, Jupiter has a lot going on. Now NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has captured new images of the planet. Webb's Jupiter observations will give scientists even more clues to Jupiter's inner life. The two images come from the observatory's near-infrared camera, which has 3 specialized infrared filters that showcase details of the planet. Since infrared light is invisible to the human eye, the light has been mapped onto the visible spectrum. Generally, the longest wavelengths appear redder and the shortest wavelengths are shown as more blue. In the standalone view of Jupiter, created from a composite of several images from Webb, auroras extend to high altitudes above both the northern and southern poles of Jupiter. The auroras shine in a filter that is mapped to redder colors, which also highlights light reflected from lower clouds and upper hazes. A different filter, mapped to yellows and greens, shows hazes swirling around the northern and southern poles. A third filter, mapped to blues, showcases light that is reflected from a deeper main cloud. The Great Red Spot is a famous storm so big it could swallow Earth, appears white in these views, as do other clouds, because they are reflecting a lot of sunlight. The brightness here indicates high altitude, so the Great Red Spot has high altitude hazes, as does the equatorial region. The numerous bright white spots and streaks are likely very high altitude cloud tops of condensed convective storms. By contrast, dark ribbons north of the equatorial region have little cloud cover. In a wide-field view, Webb sees Jupiter with its faint rings, which are 1,000,000 times fainter than the planet, and 2 tiny moons called Amalthea and JWST. The fuzzy spots in the lower background are likely galaxies photobombing this Jovian view. This one image sums up the science of our Jupiter System program, which studies the dynamics and chemistry of Jupiter itself, its rings, and its satellite system. Incredible detail of the turbulent atmosphere, auroras at the poles, rings encircling the planet, tiny moons, and even some galaxies in the background. Researchers have already begun analyzing Webb data to get new science results about our solar system's largest planet. The images were artificially colored to make specific features stand out, such as the planet's stunning auroras. Auroras are colorful displays of light that are not unique to Earth. Jupiter has the brightest auroras in the solar system, according to NASA. On both Earth and Jupiter, auroras occur when charged particles, such as protons or electrons, interact with the magnetic field, known as the magnetosphere, that surrounds a planet. Jupiter's magnetic field is about 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. If you found this video interesting, consider subscribing. Explore for more similar contents like this. You might be interested in these videos. I highly recommend you to watch these videos.